shaping up to be the best year in over 30 years, and 2026 could be even better if more of the public support the state's position. The view of some government lawmakers this evening as the country winds down 2025, which has been the least bloody year on record. Details in this report.
Murders in Jamaica have plummeted in 2025 by over 42%. I believe as well that it is only right that us lawmakers extend our congratulations to the police.
Praise for the security forces for their role in the fight against crime. Up to mid-December, Jamaica had recorded 640 murders and is on track to finish under 700 murders by year-end. It would mean the lowest figure in over 30 years and the first time with fewer than 1,000 murders in 28 years. For government lawmakers, this development is also the result of strategic investments and a plan dating back nearly 8 years.
Our Prime Minister has been at work and was at work before that and tabled in the Parliament of Jamaica Plan Secure Jamaica in the 2017-2018 budget, I believe. It was scoffed at by some who demanded a crime plan and appeared to pretend not to know that one existed. Unprecedented investment in protecting our borders and in the mobility of the police force, along with sustained investment in the transformation of the JCF. Those policies are yielding positive outcomes and are saving Jamaican lives.
I am happy to say that from 2017 to 18 until now, the level of reduction in murders, and it didn't just start, it was a major investment made with all the skepticism that existed. And myself as president of the PSOJ had to jump behind it because I saw continuity in policy. What I saw was a commitment to policy, to a policy direction and a strategy.
The decrease in murders, though, coincides with a marked increase in police fatal shootings. Over 300 civilians have been killed by the security forces this year.
I also want to ask that we move with some amount of alacrity to implement body-worn cameras. I think this is important, Senator, for us to better understand and appreciate the nuances when we have the conversation about the reduction in homicides and the increase in police fatal shootings. So if we can do more, I would say let us move to improve on this area.
Our current Prime Minister has been clear that the administration believes that allegations of excesses by agents of the state must be investigated and the chips fall where they may. We do not tolerate abuse of our citizens.
Law-abiding Jamaicans are being urged to join the fight against crime for 2026. For government lawmakers, the more support given to the state, the likelier it is that the figure could decrease again in 2026. Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.